Well, good afternoon, my self-reliant peeps. I got a drone. Today is about learning how to fly the drone. So let's carry on and see how well I do. Well, good morning, everybody. I lost the drone in the cornfield. So I've tried different ways to find it, one of them being this way. I put a ladder in the bed of the truck, and I was still too short to see the top. So I put a camera up there on the tripod, still couldn't find it. So now we have to go into the cornfield and see if we can do it this way. I'm not sure. There's a nice little opening that I can fit through. You just have to look for openings. You know, I don't want to hurt the farmer's crop. So we're going to continue into the cornfield, and then I'm going to go straight up with the camera. Let's bend it a little and see if I can see anything up high. Well, we're going to try the cornfield again. I have a new system. I know it went between the grape arbor and the end of the house. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to count off. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, we're going into the cornfield. So much pollen in here. I'm going to count off 30. 1, and we're going to go back. Then we check the camera. Well, my self-reliant peeps, thanks for watching. I've spent 3 days in this cornfield looking for that drone. It's pretty creepy in there when you get back about 30 rows. And I had visions of Malachi from Children of the Corn. Any of you have watched that horror movie years ago? So, I think the next thing I'm going to try is when Elaine gets her drone up and running, we're going to fly it over the cornfield and see if we can see it from the top and pinpoint where it's at. Well, that was 15 minutes of fun before I lost it. At any rate, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.